The firm and court databases are designed so that you enter firm and court information. This information will then be added automatically when new clients and cases matters are created. Select Configure and Firm Data from the menu bar. You will see a window called Client Database Assistant Edit Firm Data. Click on the Law Firm tab inside this window. Click the checkbox near the bottom, Use Firm Data when adding new clients matters to this database. Type in the firm address fields. Select the tab labeled Filing Attorney. If you want to add an attorney to the list, simply click the New button and fill in the appropriate information. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button after you've finished. Select Configure and Court Data from the menu bar. You can add new courts to this database by simply clicking on the Add New Court button and filling in the court description field. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button after you've finished. Click on the Client Information tab, click on the New Client icon on the toolbar, or select File, New Client on the menu bar. A screen called the Client Database Assistant will appear. Fill in the client name and the matter name. The default name is New Matter, which will be used if nothing else is entered. Click the OK button, and you'll see a dialog box which asks you to select Filing Court. From the pull-down list, select one of the courts you have previously entered and click the Use This Court button. Next, you will see the Select Attorney screen. Again, from the pull-down list, select one of the attorney names you have previously entered and click the Use This Attorney button. Click the OK button and your new client folder will appear on the left-hand side of the client information screen. Now that you've created a client, Client Profile Database displays on the right-hand side of the screen. Here's where you enter the appropriate client information, which will be inserted automatically into any new forms you fill out for this client. Notice that the databases have several tabs located at the bottom of the screen as shown below. You should always complete the General tab and fill in the other databases that are appropriate to your case. Anytime later, you can create additional new matters by selecting the client and then clicking on the New Matter from the File menu. Now that you've added a new client matter and created a client profile, filling out the General tab and any other databases that are appropriate to your case, you'll want to select and open a blank form to work on. Here's how. In the Client Information tab, click the triangle or plus sign next to the client name, click the triangle or plus sign next to the Matter folder, or highlight the Matter folder. That makes the client matter active. You can confirm the client matter is active by looking in the lower right corner of the Essential Forms window to the left of Insert. Click on the Forms Library tab. On the left side of the screen contained in a tab called Standard, you'll find a series of form groups. These are blank forms arranged alphabetically in groups designated by the Judicial Council. Scroll down to the form group you are interested in and click on the folder. On the right side of the screen will be displayed all the forms contained in that group. Here's an example how the screen looks. Select the form you want by clicking on the form name with your left mouse button. To open the form, either double-click the form name or use the Open View button. The view on your screen will automatically switch to the Open Forms tab screen and your form will now be displayed for you to begin filling. Data entered into the Client Profile tabs, which applies to the corresponding fields in the form, will autofill those fields. Importing Legal Solutions Plus data into Essential Forms is easy. First, we need to find where the Legal Solutions Plus data resides. Minimize Essential Forms, open File Explorer from the System tray. Most likely it would be on your C drive if the program is not shared. If it's shared on a network, you may need to search the network drives. You're looking for Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 files. If you're not sure where it's located, you could type level1.dbf in the search bar to find the location of the LS Plus data folder. Once you locate those 6 files, maximize Essential Forms, click File, import Legal Solutions data from the pull-down menu, click Browse in the Import Data from Legal Solutions Plus to Essential Forms window, highlight the LS Plus folder, click OK, then click Import. Depending how large the file is, it will take a little time bringing over the client matter information. When the import finishes, you should see your client database populate in Essential Forms. With the Legal Solutions import, client names and case matter names are imported, but not the actual forms or form information. A client's general profile information, such as names, addresses, and ages, are brought over into the Essential Forms database with the import.